Hi, in this video, I would like to talk about, is it possible for startup especially to implement both ISO 27001 controls and also SOC 2 controls? So first and foremost, you have to understand that both frameworks, ISO and SOC 2, are basically talking about similar things. It's about how you manage security of your data and your customer data, which also means that actually the set of controls are similar. In fact, some experts says that the difference is just 80% or 85%. Some even says 90%. So based on that and based on all our experience as well, it is possible because they share the same set of controls. Then if you have the mapping between the ISO console and the SOC 2 consoles, and of course, rightfully, if you use any of the compliance software today, including ours, we already have the mapping between ISO controls and SOC 2 control. So if you implement one control, you can also satisfy the other control. So in terms of implementing the control, nothing much different. You can definitely do it together. Again, with the help of the compliance software, now you can see what's the, let's say, the speed between the two. The difference will be on the detail of your evidence set for each control. So for example, if you go with ISO 27001 and then one of your controls says that you are going to do vulnerability scanning every 2 weeks, then it is okay to give auditors some of the samples of that 2 weeks vulnerability scanning. But if you are going for SOC 2 type to audit with the same control, and your observation period is, let's say, January until June 2025, then you have to be able to provide evidence that you conduct this 2 weeks vulnerability scanning on January, February, March, April, May, and June. If you missed 1 month, or if you miss one within a month, or whatever it is, basically if you miss something, then the auditor will just write it down in your attestation report. For ISO 27001, because the end result is only certificate, your customer will never see that. The audit report will come to you only for you. But for SOC 2 Type 2, your customer will see that you miss one or two or more of the vulnerability scanning. So in terms of implementing the control, yes, you can do it together at once, no problem. But the discipline will be different. So in our company and towards our clients, we always said, whichever route that you choose, make sure that you have a SOC 2 Type 2 discipline, then most of the time you'll be fine for the audit. That's it. Hope it helps. Bye-bye.